Hey there, science fans! Today we're going to explore the amazing world of the human body. But with a twist, we're going to learn about our organs by building kites. That's right, we're going to make 100 kites, each one inspired by a different part of you. Imagine a kite shaped like a brain, soaring high in the sky. Picture a colorful lung kite, catching the wind with every breath. We can learn so much about our bodies while having a blast building and flying these unique kites. Get ready to design, create, and learn. Let's make some science fly. Our journey starts with the control center of our bodies, the brain. We can make a fantastic brain kite using a large, round kite as our base. We'll paint it pink and create wrinkles all over it, just like a real brain. Next, let's add some long, flowing ribbons to represent nerves sending messages all over the body. Every time the wind catches those ribbons, remember how important our nervous system is. We can also make kites shaped like different parts of the brain. A colorful cerebellum kite, which helps us with balance, could spin and twirl in the wind. Imagine a bright yellow optic nerve kite, reminding us how our eyes send signals to the brain. Now let's breathe some life into our kite designs. We can make amazing lung kites using lightweight material and some simple poles. Picture two large pink sacs connected in the middle. That's our lungs. We can even add some blue streamers at the bottom to represent the diaphragm, a muscle that helps us breathe. Every time the kite goes up and down, it's like our lungs taking in air. Don't forget about the trachea. This important tube brings air to our lungs. We can make a cool trachea kite using a long, flexible tube covered in fabric. Watch it dance and sway in the wind. Get ready for some high-flying action with our circulatory system kites. We can create a giant red blood cell kite, shaped like a disc, to represent these important oxygen carriers. Imagine a blue vein kite with long, flowing tails, showing how blood travels throughout our body. We can even make tiny platelet kites that look like small, sticky dots, reminding us how they help stop bleeding. And of course, we can't forget the heart. A bright red heart-shaped kite with white streamers representing arteries and veins would be a beautiful reminder of this powerful organ. Section 5. Fueling the fun digestive system kites. Let's get our creative juices flowing with some digestive system kites. We can start with a colorful esophagus kite, shaped like a long tube, showing how food travels to our stomach. Next, we can create a large, round stomach kite made of clear plastic. Fill it with colorful streamers to represent the food we eat. Imagine a small intestine kite, long and coiled, with streamers representing nutrients being absorbed. And don't forget about the large intestine. We can make a brown coiled kite to represent this important organ, reminding us how our bodies absorb water. Section 6. Strong and steady skeletal system kites. Let's build some kites that are strong and steady, just like our bones. We can start with a long white spine kite made of sturdy material. It can have smaller rib kites attached to it, showing how our rib cage protects our organs. Imagine a skull kite made of lightweight plastic with openings for the eyes and mouth. It's a spooky but fun way to learn about our bones. We can even make small jointed fingerbone kites. Attach them together with string and watch them move in the wind, just like our real fingers. Section 7. Kites in motion, the muscular system. Get ready for some high-flying action with our muscular system kites. We can create a strong bicep kite shaped like a bulging muscle, using bright red fabric. Imagine a flexible tongue kite made of pink material that can move and curl in the wind. We can even make a powerful leg muscle kite that looks like it's running through the air. Every time these kites soar and dance, it's a great reminder of how our muscles help us move and play. Section 8. Filtering out the fun urinary system kites. Now let's talk about a system that's really important, even though it doesn't always get a lot of attention. The urinary system. We can make a bean-shaped kidney kite, colored yellow and red, to represent these amazing filters. Imagine a bladder kite, shaped like a small balloon that fills up with air, not urine of course. It's a fun way to visualize how this organ stores liquid. These kites might not be as flashy as some others, but they teach us about a vital part of staying healthy. Section 9. Kite conclusion, soaring to new heights. Wow, look at all the incredible kites we've imagined. From brains to bones, we've explored the amazing world of the human body through the art of kite making. Remember, each time you fly these kites, you're not just having fun, you're also learning about how your body works. These kites can teach us about healthy habits. They can remind us to appreciate the miracle of our own bodies. And they can inspire us to learn even more about science and the world around us. So, grab your materials, get creative, and let your imagination soar.